shooting a doe tonight. But I've seen 9 does in the past 10 minutes. And this one, she came right in, probably 35 yards. First kill with a pistol, so I'm pretty sure I hit her just a touch low, but I'm hoping I got heart. I'm gonna get down before it gets dark and see if I can't get over here and put another round in her. So if she ain't dead, I'm not sure. I didn't watch her go down. I'll catch up with you in a minute. Well, she was hit pretty good. She ended up running about 150 yards, and it was still daylight. I'd got out of the stand, and she was laid down and looked like she was dying. And I decided to wait on Kirby and my father-in-law, soon-to-be father-in-law, and he'd shot a turkey tonight, so we went and found it and picked up the trail on her, and she was dead when we got there. So thought things were going to be a little more complicated when they were, but first deer with a pistol, so that's a pretty good feeling. Had me shaking like a leaf, but pretty excited. We'll get some pictures and get her gutted and loaded up and be headed to the house. So couldn't have asked for a better evening to come out here and shoot a deer and kill a turkey all in the same sit, doubled up. So
awesome set.
It was.